Hello, in this short video, we're going to talk about Hall Technologies' 6-inch surface mount or on-wall speaker. This is a 40-watt speaker and it also works in 8 ohm, 70 volt, or 100 volt mode. So let's open up the box and take a look at the speaker inside. Right now I have unpackaged the surface mount 6-inch speaker. Notice this comes in a nice white finish. Features the included wall or surface mount bracket already attached to the device. This comes in a white finish, removable grill on the front of it. This speaker is ideal for use with Hall Technologies Apollo Technology Room Kit with the MC200 presentation switcher, or either of our standalone small format 8 ohm or 70 volt amplifiers. I'll flip it around to the back side here so we can get a look at it. And you can see here we have posts for both of your speaker connections right there. And then just above that, there is, I'm going to move this a bit closer, there's a white dial right inside of here. Those are your taps where you can go ahead and set this to 8 ohm operation, 70 ohm, 70 volt rather, or 100 volt operation. So again, that is Hall Technologies' 6-inch surface mount speaker. It is called the SPK-OW6. That's speaker on wall 6-inch, and that is available and in stock and works perfectly with all of the Hall Technologies audio solutions. To learn more about the SPK-OW6 on-wall speaker, visit us online at halltechav.com.